In this video, we will discuss that how we can do the multiply in Microsoft Excel. For this, we can use the formula. I have written these numbers here. Now we can multiply these numbers. Same is equal to sum into this, asterisk this, and this. Now we have seen 4 and 3 multiplication. Now same for these numbers. Same formula equal to sum into select this one, asterisk this one, and closed. Same 5 is 35. Like this we can multiply in Microsoft Excel. Thank you. Kindly subscribe the channel for more videos like this.